Hi, I'm Bet from Bet's Makes. And one of the questions I really get asked lately is, how can I change my hobby into something that brings an income for me? Well, I've been exploring this idea for a while, and I have been able to make a full-time income using my crafting techniques and everything that goes with it for a very long time. So it's about time I started to share some of these items with you. Now I have 5 different tips that I have for you if you want to go from just a hobby making something to something that will give you a lot of dollars into your pocket, maybe supplement your current income, or even move you into full time. Now there's 5 specific things that I want you to consider. Now, these tips you've heard before in many different places, and it's basically the 5 Ws. So the first thing you really have to consider if you want to make some money online, especially with your hobby, whether it's digital or physical product, is knowing who buys your product, who would be interested in it. So it's really important to define who exactly your customer is going to be. Now that takes a little bit of research and understanding of who buys from you currently with your hobby, if you sell anything at all. If you don't sell anything right at this particular moment, that's okay too, because you can go search for your audience ahead of time before you make anything. So that's really important. Second is what. So who, what? So number 2 being what is, what are you going to sell to those particular individuals? What are they looking for at this point in time? And what can you provide for them? Now, number 3 is where. Now, you may wonder, how does where really fit into this? But where is really important. You have to understand where your audience is hanging out. Where can you be in touch with them? It has to go beyond friends and family, although that is a great starting point. But you have to know where they are hanging out and how you can connect with them. It could be Facebook, it could be LinkedIn, it could be Instagram, it could be at the local community center. It doesn't have to be online, because your customers could go anywhere at that point in time. All right, tip number 4 is why. You have to give them a reason why they should buy from you. You're showing your expertise. You have an understanding of what they want to buy. Now you have to convince them why they need to buy from you and what sets you apart. So the big component of why is, how are you going to set yourself apart from the others? That is why they are going to buy from you. Now, the last one, remember, we've done who, what, where, why, and now when. The biggest component is, when is the best time to sell things? Are you going to go to a craft fair? Are you going to sell them online through a place like Etsy? Or where else would you like to sell it? Now, when they buy is the important part as well, because some things are seasonal and other things are because people are looking to decorate their homes. Perhaps they're buying greeting cards, birthday cards, and it depends on the type of product that you are going to make for yourself. So those are the 5 tips on changing yourself from hobby to making some profit for yourself. So we have who, what, where, when, and why. So try and put some of these things together and come up with a plan so that you too can make a full-time income. So until next time, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and we will talk to you soon on another tip on making money from your hobby.